What's going on, everyone? And I want to say thank you to each and every one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate all of you. In this video, I'm going to go over the new stickers I have up for sale on my Etsy shop. Link is in the description. I'm selling these as a pack, or if you want to buy them individually, you can. I have that as an option as well. And I want to talk to you about how I went about getting my stickers printed. So this one says you can do it. Then this one is be a voice, not an echo. And then this one says positive thinking, positive outcome. And the idea behind all of these was really to create a motivational sticker pack, one that I feel could be very beneficial to people to have. And also, I just love the colors and the style, and also how it's die cut on the nice high quality vinyl that is scratch proof and waterproof. So now I'm going to talk with you how I went about creating. So first, the way how I went about creating the stickers, I used the program called Procreate. Procreate, I did a video about how I went about creating a t-shirt design in Procreate. And let me sit up so you can see it. And the main thing that you want to think about with a sticker design, let's just say I want to have this as a sticker design. The colors and everything, you know, they flow really good, and if it was die cut, you know, it would still look good. And then also, what would be the resolution? Does it look pixelated? And no, it does not. How would it be printed? Would it be something that, whoops, I went wrong that. Would it be something that you personally would want to go about owning? So with this piece, there's settings. Swipe to the left, hit edit, and see the resolution is at 300 dpi. So this canvas size is good, even though it's in pixels and I don't know how to tell the difference. So that size is way too big in inches. So main thing you want to pay attention to is, one, would it look good printed, and then two, the place that you're going to get it printed at, are they going to be able to print it? And then three, is it going to be die cut? Is it going to be a round sticker? Is it going to be legible when it's printed? Is it something that I would be proud of actually sticking up myself? And the way how I went about printing it, I just did similar to here in Procreate. I had my file, and then what I did, I went to share, and I shared it as a PDF to my iCloud, and then I just sent it off to the printer, because the PDF is a final version of everything you created. And I just made sure the canvas that I was using had a good resolution, and it was not a very, very poor quality image. So hopefully that helps. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments below, and I will see you all in the next video.
Thank you for your time. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe, and also don't forget there's more info in the description box below.